Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to try to apply my eyelashes for the first time. And yes, I am nervous. Yes, I'm scared I'm going to get glue all over my eyes, but that's okay because we're going to keep trying, okay? I literally have like about 15 minutes before I got to go. So we got to go. So once again, I have some lash glue and then I'm going to try to put these on. Oh my gosh. I'm nervous. Okay. Let's just do this. And get this over with. I told y'all I was going to do a video with it, so. Whoops. And I have some tweezers. I'm going to open this up. Alright. So I'm going to take the lash. I'm going to take the lash off really carefully. And I hope they fit my eyes. We'll see. Oh my God. I gotta open it. Oh, there it is. Oh my God. Did y'all see that? Okay. It just like exploded. Oh my God, you guys. I didn't know it was gonna come out so fast. Now, from the videos I've been watching, you're supposed to like let it dry or whatever and like let it get like a little tacky. So I'm just wipe this off. Oh my God. Oh, it's on you guys. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Okay, look, there looks like there's a problem. Wait a minute. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. Let me get something to fan with. It's on though. Uh-oh, I got some glue right there. But it's on. Okay, we gotta do the other one. Oh wow, I love it. Look how much it makes my eye. Ooh. Okay, let's do the other one. So the second one, I'm gonna apply the glue with the bobby pin to see if that helps, like, the spread. Oh yeah, that's so much better. Okay. Glue on it. Okay. Okay. Tweezers. You guys, I'm so excited. Okay. Can y'all see? Okay. Here we go. This one. Oh, good. Get it on there. Oh my God. Okay. Y'all, this one is an epic fail. Oh, it's on. They're on. Yay! Okay, so I gotta hurry up. I gotta get downstairs, but oh, look. Okay, I'm gonna take my liquid eyeliner and my mascara downstairs. But you guys, look. Oh, I love them. The glue's like everywhere on this one. But hey, we did it, right? Okay, I gotta go. Bye. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, I had to finish up in the office doing fixing my eyelashes, and y'all, I am so lit about me putting these lashes on, these lashes on. I really didn't think I was gonna be able to do it, but I did it. So I can't wait to do a full makeup look for you guys and put my lashes on with it and see how it comes out. I'm really excited. So to just take care of my eyes, I just decided to put some eyeliner on. All right, and don't mind me talking. I was on the phone. So with one of my friends. So we was just talking, getting the day started. So I'm also going to take the eyeliner and line my top of my eye. Plus, y'all seen I had all that glue on there, but that's okay because we're going to get better. We're going to get better. And of course, I'm going to wing it out. Gotta have that wing, girl. And if you guys would like for me to do a video on how to do the wing liner, I would happily do that as well. Look, y'all, I am a mess. I got glue and everything on my nails. I was excited. And so now I'm just going in with some mascara to blend my lashes in with the fake ones. So as y'all can see, I just put on a little powder. I was feeling cute, y'all. So I was like, ooh. So I put on a little powder. And now I am looking at myself and I am primping, girl. You is cute. You is cute. So I was trying to like mush them together to make sure they looked really natural and cute. And they're very lightweight. I thought they were going to be like really heavy on my eyes, but they're actually not that heavy. Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.